How many of you believe that it's actually pollen in the air that causes allergies? And how come I can actually breathe what pollen is actually from these flowers and actually have no allergy reaction at all? It's not how much pollen from the plants and from the trees and from the grass is actually in the air. What pollen count is actually today that causes allergies. That's never what causes allergies. How your body reacts to allergies. How come two people can breathe the same air, one person has a reaction and the other person doesn't? What's the problem is how the body, how that one person is reacting. Your body's adapting to what the environment around it is. And that's what chiropractic can actually help out. We can't ever change what pollen's in the air, but we can change how your body reacts to its environment by making adjustments to your nervous system so your body reacts in a proper, healthy way and to interact in the environment that God gave us to enjoy and to edify. That's how chiropractic actually helps people regain their health, is by actually helping them make a proper, healthy reaction to whatever pollen's in the air so you can enjoy the beauty around you. So if you want to change how your body reacts, if you suffer from allergies on a regular basis, please contact our office and see how chiropractic can actually change and help you with your allergies.